citizen.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell us what exactly made you join this protest, because there are also other groups that we saw that said they don't want to join protest because they think the modality is not right.
Now then, Sabi, now hunger carry me come here. Inflation, the way things have tripled in the markets, that is why I'm here. It affects me personally, it affects me as a human being, as a citizen, and that is why I've come to join the protests. Hunger, inflation, people cannot buy things anymore in the markets. You're a woman, you go to the market, you cannot afford crayfish, you cannot afford egg, even the least gari you cannot buy. Gari is not a rich man's food. My people, gari is almost the same level with rice. And you say I should walk by. I can't walk by. I must join. I don't need to belong to any group. Nobody is more Lagosian than any Lagosian. Nobody is more Nigerian than any Nigerian. We are all Nigerians, and it's affecting us equally.
Now, people in government actually pleaded with the protesters to shelve this protest, and their reason is that the president has just been in office for just 1 year,
yes.
And 1 year is not enough to actually bring about the changes that people are asking for today.
1 year is not enough to bring about the changes, but 1 day was enough to increase fuel. 1 day was enough to give policies and instructions that almost ruined our lives. It's all about policies. Make these policies and implement it. You don't need forever. When Buhari was there, they said 1 year is not enough, 2 years is not enough, till 8 years. He has started again, same APC government. 1 year is still not enough. People are dying. 1 year is not enough, and within 1 year, fuel has gone to 1,000 TIRI per liter. How long should we wait? How long? No, let them tell us how long they want us to wait, and we wait. Let them tell us 2 years, and we wait.
Okay, so I also listened to the SAN, that's the Senior Advocate of Nigeria, who said he's the lawyer to some of the groups that are protesting, and he has pleaded that the protest should be limited to a day or 3 days rather than the 10 days that the protests are set out for. Do you think that is a valid point?
We don't have any leader in this protest. As we all say here, tomorrow if everybody fall out, everybody fall out. Next tomorrow, everybody fall out. Have you realized that what Nigerians are asking, what everybody is asking, is not so much? It is the basics. A word from the president, everybody will be jumping. Everybody will be happy. We are not asking for the impossible. So nobody should come and tell us a day, 2 days, till we know. We will keep coming until the answers.
Okay, what specifically would you want the president to do now that will end this protest?
Right now, carry fuel go 100 naira per liter. Because once they reduce fuel, everything will drop. Just reduce fuel. Baba, they use fuel. Driver, they use fuel. Who they wash clothes, laundry, they use fuel. Tailor, they use fuel. Once you reduce fuel, there will be peace. Let him show us a sign that he cares. That's all. A sign.
No, but this removal of fuel subsidy in the first place was to deal with the corruption in that subsidy regime. Which government talked about?
Have you seen Dangote crying? Dangote is crying so hard that you will now realize that the corruption that we are seeing is nothing compared to what we are not seeing. Let them be fighting the corruption, but may they not use and press us. May they not use and kill us. They should reduce fuel and sort themselves.
Thank you very much. Okay, so you can see that's exactly what the cry here has been. Really, it's been so rowdy. People are actually very angry, and that is why they have gathered here to vent their anger. Now, if you look at this, it's a flyer that they have been distributing here all through the day. Please, can we just stop? Now, some of these points that they raised in this flyer is one, that these are some of the expenditure Tinubu and other politicians plan to do with our money. And they say 1 billion naira for Tinubu's sitting allowance. They say 98.5 billion Tinubu's personal cost, 21 billion mansion for Shetima, 10 billion naira computers for Tinubu and Shetima, and a whole lot of issues. And they say